If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button very hard. Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna be teaching you how to make money online with no charges. So first of all, you just need a mobile phone or a laptop or a computer, anything that can access the internet. Just comment, let me know the device you are using. So guys, the website we are going to be using today is cashgem.co. So you don't need to just go and search for cashgem.co. I'm going to put the link in my description because I need to get my referral, you understand now. Don't want to teach you everything in this video. So let's load. Welcome to Cashgem, the #1 cashing network. So you sign up $30 bonus, sign up bonus, but I've already signed up before, so if I just tap it, will automatically log me in. Okay guys, so so there's a video here you can watch. You see there's a video. Let's sign in now. So sign in. So see, you can earn money by how many clicks people click on your referral. You can, but someone just cashed out on Venmo just now. So is that bit easy? Very easy. So I've earned $2,331. You see, referral section. Share this link. Okay, so this is the dashboard. John, I don't know how to pronounce that name, but it sounds funny. But $561,000, 543. Oh my god, that's a huge amount of money. Cashgem, this is actually the #1 cashing app. So guys, as you can see now, going through, downloading app can give you $35, completing survey $45, refer a friend $15. Any click you get on your referral gives you $2. You see guys, someone just cashed out. Oh my god. Create video. Any video you create about Cashgem on your YouTube, you earn $50. Or your Instagram account, anywhere you could just copy the link and paste on your I'll show you everything. Don't skip the video. Okay, I've copied my referral link, so it's going to be on the description for you to easily access it. So this my payment method is Bitcoin. They pay me via Bitcoin. So guys, I'll be showing you many payment methods that you can use in this video. Yeah, as you can see now, the payment method I use is Bitcoin, but there are several options like PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Bitcoin, mailed, check. So it depends on the one you're using.